Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to trade Forex Mt5 in pocket option. If you're into trading and you want to do it through the Mt5 in the pocket option, then in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. First, we have to make sure that you have the pocket option app. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can still get it from Google Play Store or App Store. You just have to simply go and open the store and then you have to search for it. Once you get this pocket option app with the 5 million downloads, then you just have to simply install it and open it up. Once you open it up, it will just take a while to load, and once the loading is done, it will take you to this page. On this page, you can see a graph and some other options at the bottom and all over the screen. At the top, you can see this option QT real with the currency and a drop down option. You just have to simply click onto it and then these options will come up. Now here we have this option for Forex. As you can see, you have to click onto it and then you can see all of the Forex including the MT5 real and the MT5 demo. You can either go with a real one or with your demo account, it's up to you. If you choose the Forex MT5 real, it will open, and if you have any currency then you will be able to start trading. But if you don't have it, you will be able to get these graphs and you can actually buy and sell. You can see their rates at the bottom as well, so you can make your mind if you would like to buy or maybe sell if you have the currency. So that's how you can do it through your real account of MT5. But if you want to do with your demo account, then again you have to click onto this tutorial option and click onto this Forex option and then choose Forex Mt5 demo. If you have a new demo account, then you will have $10,000. If you have used anything, then you may have less or maybe more. So after that, you will get to this page. You can see your buy and sell rates and different options. So this is how you can do the Forex trading with MT5 of your demo account. So you can check out these graphs and you can get the idea of the rates, the sell and the buy rates and other options. So if you want to invest or maybe you just want to learn and do some demo trading, you can do it onto this page. So whenever you want to shift from real to demo or maybe from demo to real, you have to simply get back and then you can choose the other option. So once you're onto this page, you can also see these graphs and the time and the amount and other options. So if you're interested again, you can again go to the Forex option and you can go with your real or demo account, whatever you prefer. If you want to learn, then you can go with your demo account and you can just simply do some mock trading. So you will learn how it works. But if you have the experience, then you can go with the Forex MT5 real and start trading at the moment. Along with MT5, it also have the Forex MT4 real and Forex MT4 demo, so you can also start working onto it if you would like to. So if you want to just learn, you can go to the demo with your $10,000. You can just simply start your trading. You will get the idea how it works, and once you are much capable, then you will be able to do in your real account with actual money. But for now, on this page you can see we have different options. At the bottom you can see some of the buy and sell prices, and at the top you can also check if you want to do it in the USDT or maybe Bitcoin or maybe other options as well. So if you are interested in more than one currency or maybe if you want to try different things, so you can change it through, and you can also check out other options. All these options are there and will be helpful if you want to start trading. The best thing about this platform is that it allows you to do trading through your demo or maybe by real account. By this way, you will be able to learn the things, and once you're much capable, you can do it through your real MT5 account with your actual money. So that's how you can trade Forex MT5 in pocket option. If you follow the instructions and follow the steps that are done into this video, then you will be able to do it very easily. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, if you have any queries or anything you would like to know, you may mention in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.